Hi guys, as a lot of you are probably currently watching this, it is more than likely because you are in either lockdown, quarantine, isolation, or you've been asked or it has been suggested that you currently practice social distancing. Firstly, not a big fan of the word social distancing because I think that it implies that we shouldn't be connecting with one another. And at times like this, I think it's the most important that we are connecting more so than ever with ourselves, with one another, and with society. So a positive part of the current outbreak of the coronavirus is that it has allowed and given opportunity and shown, it's highlighted a lot of humanity's strength and its ability, our ability as humans to find the positive in things, to adapt and explore new ways of associating and interacting with one another. So I'm sure that you've probably seen countless clips of people communicating and sharing music and singing and even working out together in their units or their apartments in Italy, let's say. But I want this to be a free and accessible opportunity for you, anyone and everyone in the whole entire world to be able to connect together, and a gentle reminder of what's important and to connect back to yourself. So there will be a couple of different classes. The idea is to release one a day, and it will be either meditation or mindfulness or yoga, something to keep you active, to keep your body moving, to stimulate your mind, and to connect you back to what's important within as well as one another. So a big thing that I think is often overlooked in times like this is synchronicity and being in time and moving with other humans. And that in itself is what connects us a lot, and that is why choirs and people singing together always create so much bliss and joy within oneself, as well as anyone listening. And it's the same thing with doing anything. So if we're in time and in sync with other humans, it does create a sense of harmony within ourselves and within one another and society in general. So hopefully this is, a good excuse for you to take 10, 30, 45 minutes, however long it is each and every day, especially if you have nothing better to do at the moment, which most of us, let's be honest, probably don't, in order to just come back to what's important. So that is what this is for. I hope that you enjoy it. It's intended to be completely free so that it is accessible to each and every one of us. And from my heart to yours, namaste.